Now, as you can see, we're good to go. We got our blade right here that's gonna cut through the tension we find in our daily lives. And we're just gonna go slow and real meticulous. And that's it. Have a blessed week.